Agentic Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or Agentic RAG, is the strategic integration of autonomous artificial intelligence agents into the data retrieval pipeline. It transforms data fetching from a linear, deterministic process into an iterative, context-aware, and dynamic control loop. To understand this paradigm shift, consider classic RAG. Traditional systems operate as a rigid, one-shot retrieval mechanism, involving a dual encoder architecture, where encoders map text to a shared high-dimensional vector space, using similarity search libraries like FAISS. It assumes a single query maps perfectly to this space, that top documents contain the entire answer, and that the language model can synthesize this in a single pass. In enterprise environments, users pose multi-part questions requiring data synthesis across disparate silos. Initial retrievals often return only partially relevant documents. Classic RAG, constrained by static context, is forced to generate an answer regardless of evidence quality, frequently resulting in hallucinations or structurally flawed outputs. Agentic RAG overcomes this limitation by wrapping retrieval and generation within a continuous reasoning cycle, influenced by the reason and act methodology. Retrieval is no longer a mandatory first step. Rather, it becomes one of several tools deployed strategically. The workflow follows a cyclical pattern. First, the agent receives a complex input and engages in strategic planning, breaking the monolithic question into smaller sub-objectives. Second, it selects tools, explicitly determining what information is required first. Third, upon executing a retrieval action, the agent evaluates the evidence to identify logical gaps. Finally, if the initial retrieval is insufficient, the agent deliberately rewrites the query, requests clarification, or switches to a completely different knowledge source. This loop repeats continuously until a strict stop condition is satisfied, such as achieving a high-confidence verified answer. This operational superiority is rooted in mechanisms like intelligent routing and dynamic query formulation. Intelligent routing allows an agent to dynamically direct a query to a deterministic SQL engine, a semantic vector search, or a real-time web API to bridge the gap between static data and current events. Another method is Hypothetical Document Embeddings, or HyDE. To overcome the semantic mismatch between a user's colloquial question and technical stored documents, the system first generates a hypothetical ideal document. It then utilizes this fabricated document's semantic features to retrieve actual, factually correct documents. As Agentic RAG matures, distinct architectural patterns have emerged. Corrective RAG detects and corrects retrieval failures prior to generation. A specialized evaluator model classifies retrieved chunks as correct, incorrect, or ambiguous, triggering corrective actions like external web searches if internal data is flawed. Self-reflective RAG refines the model's generation capabilities. It utilizes special reflection tokens to evaluate whether its output is supported by evidence, autonomously pausing to requery if it identifies logical contradictions. Adaptive RAG acts as a resource allocation framework, dynamically routing queries based on complexity to optimize the trade-off between computational cost and latency. Implementing these multi-agent architectures requires the segregation of cognitive responsibilities. A planner orchestrates the workflow. A retriever fetches raw data. A verifier grades the factual accuracy. And a generator compiles the final response. Frameworks like LangGraph facilitate this by defining the agentic process as a rigorous state machine. While Agentic RAG improves analytical robustness, it introduces a trilemma, balancing latency, computational cost, and reliability. Classic RAG offers high-cost predictability and low latency. Agentic RAG introduces variable costs and higher latency due to iterative language model calls. Therefore, it is best suited for high-complexity, low-error tolerance applications like financial risk management, healthcare diagnostics, and legal statutory analysis. To manage enterprise deployments, organizations must implement strict gating rules and token budgets to prevent infinite reasoning loops. To evaluate these dynamic systems, frameworks like RAGAS compute specific quality metrics without relying on human annotations, measuring faithfulness and answer relevance. By carefully navigating this trilemma, organizations can unlock AI systems that operate as highly reliable, autonomous cognitive partners, driving quantifiable enterprise value.